Do you need more money for your retirement? Have you worked hard your whole life and you've ended up with a mingy or non-existent pension, the way I did? Then I know the feelings that you are experiencing. Feelings of failure, feelings of anxiety and worry that you're going to be dependent on other people, feelings of depression and helplessness, feelings of franticness that you need to earn money somehow. Well, this is where I come into the picture. I have found a way that you will solve your financial worries. It is a super safe way to learn to earn online. And if your digital skills are dodgy the way mine were, then you will be helped every step of the way with plenty of technical support. So, what would you have to do? You would have to learn these digital skills so that you can earn online. And I can guarantee you that if you persevere to the end of the course, you will have financial success. So, how would you get started? I would send you 4 free videos which will introduce you to your pot of gold. There's no obligation. And once you click on this button, you will start the very first step towards solving your money worries.